Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. So what we have is no motor. Oh no, it's a washing machine motor. I'm about to turn it on. What we're doing is we're testing out different phase lines in here because this one has 60 phase and 120 phase. And I know a few of you aren't familiar with the phases, but anyways, I wouldn't have time to explain it, but what we have is 62 volts, 0.9. It was 63. Put in an extra battery to see if the controller can actually take it. I feel a little bit of heating because I just came out the gate. Right, we'll pop that on. This one here, it's got no meter. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're just gonna. I'll pop you in my pocket if no. I better just take you in my hand. I got the wrong cam on, guys. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to see what this does, okay? See if the controls are right, or whether it's just going to play up on me, or what it's going to do. It's supposed to change in phase automatically if it was needed, right? But I mean, see, yet again, this controller is actually worse on this motor than the other one. Look at that. I can't even get up to speed enough to get going. See the jerkiness of it? There we go. Starting to catch up a little bit now. Starting to catch up a little bit now. Come on, girl. Come on. She's away. Oh. There's about 12 holes in this washing machine motor that are wound in aluminium. So I think that's half the reason why this thing's glitching like it is. And so yeah, obviously more power on this controller by a whole nother battery. It does seem faster, like a lot faster. Well, not a lot faster. When it gets on going, you know. Still actually going up to speed as I'm cruising along. Right down there, guys. The corner ended up over there, right there. Funny stuff. Anyways, see if we can find this out. Hold on. Here we go. I don't know what my speed is. Meter straight on the batteries. I'm using this hand throttle with a 3-speed switch and it takes you close to you now. Yeah, I know. It's, this is supposed to be like electric moped bike, and so, like it's at the, pedaling speed now, I guess. It feels like it's got more, but it's nowhere as near as fast as the alternator, guys. So this is just a little test run on, what was it, 63 volts. And yeah, right in the beginning, that's where she's hiccuping now. So, yeah, that took up 4 minutes. Just trying to get off this thing. Check some things out, like heating. Bloody hot. Motor. Not so hot. Turn that off. I don't think this controller can handle that much power. This thing's just about blowing its ring piece out. Wow. It didn't feel good, guys. It really didn't. This is the worst one ever. So I'll have a look into some more, and we may have to get back to this another time again. So one more look over it. It's been a long project, this one, but I definitely want a different throttle and, a few bits and pieces. I might change that washing machine motor to an alternator. Seems to be way better. Cool, guys. I shall see you in the next up and coming vid soon. Cool, guys. Cruiser man out.